Hey guys, so I'm actually in Trafalgar Square, but this is my first week of university vlog. Technically Freshers Week is over, so this isn't Freshers. Check out my Freshers vlog here somewhere. This is my first week actually studying at uni and how I'm spending my time and everything. And yeah, at the moment I'm just in Trafalgar Square because I thought I'd come check it out. And I've got more than 2 hours before my lecture starts because Monday's really not busy. If I can do something like this like every Monday, I'm going to see so much of London and get so much out staying here, so that's kind of my plan. So yeah, enjoy the vlog! Just nearly stumbled past the London Eye. Pretty cool. This is on the Vincent Fawcett statue, and this is some very distant relation of mine. He was also a suffragist. Hey everyone, so I've got like 20 minutes before I need to go to my lecture, so I'm just chilling out. I bought some postcards on my travels, and I'm just going to send them to my nanny and granddad and granny. And then I'm going to go to my first lecture with someone who's just confirmed that they're going to come with me, so yes, I'm not going to be alone. So guys, hello, it is Tuesday. I'm just in the kitchen. I've had a morning of like lectures and seminars and it's been a bit intense, I'm not going to lie. Like, having a teacher speak to me in French for the first time in months has been intense. That's just the best way I could put it. Yeah, it's been intense. But now I'm making myself some lunch, chilling out for a couple of hours. Sorry about that noise. And then I've got another seminar which I have to do some reading for. I've got another seminar for an hour, and then I have to do my audition for American Idiot, which is probably going to go badly, but it sounds like fun, so I'm going to give it a go. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm just reheating some pasta that I made last night, which is chicken and bacon. This is one of my favourite things I've actually cooked so far. This is going to be a regular thing. I absolutely adore it, so yeah, I'm really pleased with this. Alright, I'll see you guys. I'm going to a friend's house. So, I'm on my way to my audition. Dressing a little, rocky. And yeah. auditions. The singing one went good, and then the dance auditions, no, I am too clumsy and uncoordinated and lack of flexible, so I'm gonna say that didn't go very well. I missed a big step in when they were filming it to send on, so I don't know, I think probably haven't got that. It was fine. I did it and I was gonna chicken out, so I'm really proud of myself. Good morning everybody, how are you today? I'm just doing some research for today. Today is my last day of seminars this week, which is mad because it's only Wednesday. I love university, but I have a lot of reading to do over the next couple of days before Arthur gets here on Saturday and Sunday. That's my boyfriend. He's coming to visit. I'm very excited. Anyway, yeah, I'm just trying to write down in my academic planner what books I have to read for the next week to make sure I'm prepared, because I want to make sure that I have done everything that I need to do, because this week felt a bit manic and I know it's only going to get more and more manic, and I want to do my research properly and all that jazz. So that's what I'm starting on today, making sure that I'm totally prepared. I've gone through all my stuff that I need, both for today and next week. So that is what's happening. So yesterday had my audition for American Idiot. That was interesting. I cannot dance. My head cannot take in that much information in half an hour. I can't do it. There's a big jumpy bit in the middle and I was just like, no. And also with the singing, like my actual singing, really good, went fine. However, it took my iPad like literally 3 minutes to load the karaoke on YouTube that I needed for it, so that was really embarrassing, and I probably looked like a right idiot, so that was, you know, awkward. And then we did a vocal range test, which I wasn't expecting, and I was a bit awkward on that as well, so I haven't done this in a while. It's fine, and it's good because I nearly chickened out. But I actually did end up doing it, and you know, that was an experience unto itself, so I'm really pleased. I did it, I worked through, it was fine. Yeah, that's basically the catch up. I'm sure I'll show you what's going on throughout the day. Don't know what I'm going to do this afternoon. Oh yes I do, I've got a job interview. I've got a job interview this afternoon, so we'll see how that goes. Hey guys, so my lectures for the day are over, and actually for the week they're over. So I have Thursday, Friday, Monday, no, that's not how the week goes. Basically the whole weekend from now to do what I like. Obviously what I like obviously involves reading in preparation for next week and any work I have to do, but that's fine because I haven't got that much yet. I'm just going to show you my lunch I made myself. I'm calling this a healthy lunch. Bacon isn't healthy, but if I don't eat the fat, then technically there is not much unhealthiness here until I have a Kit Kat. But, you know, that's normal, that's fine. So, this is my lunch. Hey, so I'm all ready for my job interview. I think I've done not too bad at dressing myself. So, who knows how that's going to go. Hopefully well. I've done quite a few practice job interviews in the past, so, like, I should be fine. Basically, I managed to finally buy some magnets for my various pin boards, except now I can't find my photos that I had for my pin board, so that's not actually going very well. But in Paper Chase they were like 6 for £3, and I managed to go to this other shop and find 36 for £3, so you know, I went with that one. But yeah, I'm really happy about that. So killed my feet, now walking back. It's the longest walk I've ever done in my whole entire life. Sup everyone, so I know I've not done any filming today, I'm really sorry about that, but I'm about to go to the Selks party in my new dress I bought a few weeks ago, which is really annoying because it has those sleeves that you can't pull down inside a jacket, so it does this here, but it's kind of annoying. I'm also braving a red lip for the first time in about 4 years, so that's fun. But yeah, we're about to go to a party for my department, and today I've just been doing reading research. I'll show you. This page is not an accurate example. Well, that one, right. So this is the kind of research I've been doing just on the books I'm going to be reading, just so I have a bit of context basically. For each of my subjects. That one's nice and highlighted. But yeah, basically I'm off now, and just I'd let you know that's what I've been doing today. Really need to do some actual reading because I've not actually read any of my reading yet, but you know, I got this. I've got my research, so if I don't finish the reading by next week, like, I'm gonna know what I'm talking about, especially if I've done some of the reading. Which is what's important, like, obviously finish the reading over time, but trying to read, you know, 4 short books, don't get me wrong, in a week is not easy, and well, I'm just starting at this, so I'm giving myself a little break, but I'm going to try and do a lot of the reading tomorrow, and then throughout next week in between my lectures and my seminars. So yeah, but I actually have a package that's just arrived for me with some of my first books that I've had to buy, so I need to go check that out. But yeah, that's me. See you soon. Hey guys, so I'm now going to my final Freshers event that's on the wristband, and it's at Egg, which is a club in London. We're feeling a bit tired, so we don't know how hard we're gonna do it tonight, maybe just like literally half an hour. But just check it out so we don't feel like we wasted our wristband. So that's basically the plan. That's what you're about to see. Yeah, tomorrow I have a lot of reading to do. Like, a lot of reading. So there's that. And then the day after, my boyfriend's coming, and I'm gonna see him, and I'm so excited. But yeah. Also, I feel like we haven't talked about this. Season 12 of The Big Bang Theory is now on Netflix, and I've watched 19 episodes today.
Which is some word I've heard going around the Guildhall a lot recently, and I have no idea why.
Guys, I feel like this is a monumental moment. Cutting the Freshers wristband. Guess I'm no longer a fresher. Hey guys, so it is actually Friday, and I'm just doing some work, some reading and stuff. I've been trying to read this book. This is Diderot. Oh, this is Diderot, and that's the book I have to read for French, and my brain's not really ready for reading a whole book in French yet. Like, it's really struggling with it. So I read the prologue to that this morning, which took a ridiculous amount of time. That's all the work I've done today, which is pathetic because I keep procrastinating. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move on to a different bit of reading, try and get through that so that I know I've done something, and then I'll come back to this once I feel like I'm more prepared to get through it, and then I'm going to have a go at some grammar exercises, and then I'll have done quite a lot for today and I'll be quite happy. So that's the plan, that's what's going on.
That's a band?
That was my first week at uni. Feels kind of weird that I'm not going to be vlogging next week, because I've done so much vlogging over the last few weeks. It's going to feel really weird actually just being here and not vlogging and just being in the moment all the time. Maybe I will still vlog some bits. I'll try, because I'd like to have a video at the end, and I always wanted that for sixth form and I never did it, so maybe I will still do a little bit of filming here and there. But this is the last of the vlogs for a while. You're going to get some more sit down videos from here on out. I've got a couple of very exciting ones planned, so make sure to look out for them. I will see you next time.
Good.